Hey guys, John, Vapor Hunting Technologies here today. We are showing off our brand new dry blasting equipment product line for 2024. One of the things I want to talk about right now is the importance of using or having an abrasive reclamation system coupled to your cabinet with a dust collector. One of the most important aspects of using an abrasive reclaimer is, of course, to extract dust and abrasive and separate those two, getting the dust into the dust collector and the abrasive back into the hopper. One of the things we've worked on very hard is figuring out how to optimize and set up an effective dust collector and reclaimer combo to these machines. That is changing different airflows through different machines. These machines are all different sizes, so they're built a little bit different, but one of the most important things, again, is having a reclaimer, specifically with an industrial blasting process where you guys need certain medias or certain sized medias consistently to get a good blasting process. There are a lot of you guys that have very tight specs or tight tolerances, and of course, we can help you set up a blasting process to fit your needs based on using some surface roughness data and some imaging technology that we have. To have a very good, repeatable blasting process, you need to, again, separate that dust from that good abrasive, and that's where a reclaimer comes in. These machines behind us and all the machines that we're gonna show off are gonna have reclaimers and dust collectors to them. That is one of the most important aspects of dry blasting, in our opinion, and that's something we've seen throughout the industry. So if you guys are having trouble holding a specific blasting process, maybe you're just blasting with dust. That's one of the things that we've seen with cabinets that just have dust collectors. However, big industrial equipment, you hardly ever see machines that do not have a reclaimer dust collector combo. So that's the way we're setting these up. That's the way we're gonna show them off to you. And of course, we need tight process control here, so we wanna make sure that we have very good abrasive every single time and we're not using dust as our blasting media. So if you guys have more questions, put them in the comment section below, or if you have specific application questions that we need to answer for you, call or email the sales team. As always, thanks for watching.